What a treat. Fans have waited long enough. The much-anticipated Star Wars The Last Jedi hits theaters today. And who better to join me today for opening day is BB-8. Let's welcome BB-8. Woo! Hi, BB-8. You were the star of the Star Wars The Force Awakens, and fans are so excited to see you return to the big screen in The Last Jedi. So how has it been adjusting to all of this fame? Okay, it sounds like it's been a lot of work adjusting to the fame. Now, when you first joined the cast, how did that make you feel? I would have felt the same way. Now, did you hang out with C-3PO or R2-D2 a lot on set? Yeah, I wish I got to hang out with C-3PO as well. Now, can fans look forward to any R2 and BB-8 adventures in The Last Jedi? Yeah? Oh, I guess we'll have to watch to find out. Now, is there anything you can tell us from the film? Any secrets? Really? Oh, I'd love to have some secrets here. Okay, well, we love you, and you definitely have made a mark in the Star Wars franchise. So we can't wait to see you in Star Wars The Last Jedi, which, of course, hits theater today. Thank you so much for coming in. Can you come back soon? Yeah? Okay. Really? Okay, we're going to make sure that happens, okay? All right, well, you're going to want to stay tuned. So we've got more breakfast television after the break. We're going upstairs to Tammy in the newsroom. Bye, BB-8. Bye.